In a world where diversity is our strength, International Women's Day stands as a tribute to the remarkable achievements of women across the globe.
Yay! It's International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day to all the women all around the world.
Hi, I am Dr. Preeti Chauhan. I am the head of operations here at Cedar Crest Hospital. I would like to extend my warm wishes for the International Women's Day.
Hi, my name is Ugra Zubike. I'm the hospital manager for Cedar Crest Hospital's Gwarimpa branch. It's World International Women's Day.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Udwa Godofia. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist in Cedar Crest Hospital here in Abuja. And I just want to take this time out to greet all my wonderful and beautiful women out there and tell them that have a happy International Women's Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sefia Udaojo, a consultant family physician, Cedar Crest Hospital. I'm wishing women all over the world a happy, very, very happy International Women's Day.
Good day everyone, it's Dr. Kate Yore Ibiaho, consultant and aesthetics intensivist with the Cedar Crest Hospitals. Happy International Women's Day.
Hi, my name is Charity Adeleke, Head of Pharmacy Cedar Crest Hospitals, and I would like to wish you a happy International Women's Day. God bless you.
Hello, I'm Ngozi Bala, a nurse here at Cedar Crest Hospitals. I'm here to wish all women a happy International Women's Day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sandra. I'm the Quality Assurance Team Lead here at Cedar Crest Hospitals. I'm a woman, and I still want to wish all the women all over the world a happy International Women's Day.
Everyone, my name is Esther Higiato, the Team Lead Admissions Unit Cedar Crest Hospitals. Happy International Women's Day to all the women in the world.
Hello, my name is Irundu Josephine. I'm the Nursing Service Manager, Cedar Crest Hospital, Gudu. To use this opportunity to wish every woman happy International Women's Day.
I'm Nurse Ogechi Uzoma, a perioperative nurse at Cedar Crest Hospital. I'm here to wish you a happy International Women's Day.
Hello everybody, my name is Bukola Adebayo. I'm a prosthetist and orthotist at Cedar Crest Hospitals, and I am happy to wish all women all over the world a happy International Women's Day.
Hello, my name is Jamila Abbas, radiographer at Cedar Crest Hospital, Jabba branch. I want to wish every female staff and patient at Cedar Crest Hospital a happy International Women's Day.
Hi everyone, my name is Kendi Olanwaju from Cedar Crest Hospital, County branch, Senior Nursing Officer, Head of Unit Pediatric and NICU. I'm seizing this opportunity to wish every woman out there a happy Women's Day.
Hi everyone, my name is Inwoma Florence Chidema. I'm a nurse working with Cedar Crest Hospital, Abuja branch, under pediatric unit. I'm using this opportunity to wish you all happy Women's Day.
Hi, my name is Chinonso Mokore, Deputy Nursing Services Manager, Cedar Crest Hospitals, Gudu. Happy International Women's Day.
My name is Sister Adela. I'm the front desk officer at Cedar Crest Hospitals, Lagos. Happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful, strong, and amazing women all over the world, particularly to Cedar Crest women.
My name is Mrs. Taylor Toyomo. I am acting CEO, Cedar Crest Hospital, Mori Umona, Victoria Island, Lagos. This is to wish all amazing women happy International Women's Day.
Hello, my name is Aisha Bola Timotokwe. I'm a nurse. Happy International Women's Day to all the amazing women in the world. You guys are beautiful. I'm particularly to the women in Cedar Crest Hospital. This is a big shout out to you. Thank you for all that you do, and God bless.
Hi, my name is Juliet. I am the commercial officer at Cedar Crest Hospitals, Gudu. I want to wish you a happy International Women's Day.